Man, I'm a warrior. Hey, I gave you my warrior, and I die. Give him my warrior. Can I follow him? I try to put a boot below alone.
Have you ever known that there has been Rwodi Kalam or the appointed Rwodi in Acholi? Well, we're going to take a look at that history. An historical overview of appointed traditional leaders in Acholi. Let's get it on. The concept of Rwodi Kalam or the appointed chiefs arose during the colonial and early post-colonial periods in Acholi land, as external authorities, including the British colonial government, intervened in indigenous leadership structures. This presentation highlights key individuals who were appointed as Rwodi Kalam or equivalent leaders, illustrating the intersection of traditionality or traditional authority, colonial politics, and evolving local governance in northern Uganda. The first person you must know is Lachiero Okech of 1923 to 1935. Lachiero Okech was appointed Rwodi Kalam of Lambugi in 1923. His tenure lasted until 1935. Okech's leadership exemplified the colonial practice of installing chiefs who could mediate between the British administration and local communities, often bypassing hereditary succession norms. The second one is Otera Okelo Mora Lengomoi, who died in 1914. A formidable general of Pura, Otera Okelo Mora Lengomoi functioned as the de facto lord due to his strong ties with British colonial officials. His influence, however, provoked rivalries, and he was assassinated in 1914. Allegedly, at the instigation of Rwodi Ogwal Lameng, his death marked a turning point in Puran's chieftaincy politics. And number three is Andrea Olaladiri, appointed in 1914, son of the slain Otega Okelo Mwara Leumoi. Andrea Olaladiri was appointed Rwodi Kalam of Bobi Puran immediately after his father's assassination. His elevation symbolized both a continuation of his father's legacy and a strategic move by the colonial administration to stabilize the Acholi region. The fourth person on the list is Esa Okelo, who was appointed in 1923. Another son of Otega Okelo Mwara Lengomoi, Esa Okelo became Rwodi of Koch in 1923, replacing the aged hereditary chief Rwodi Saul Lagon, who passed away that same year. This appointment underscored the colonial government's preferences for younger, administratively compliant leaders who will obey them. The fifth one is Peter Ola, appointed in 1958. Hailing from Payera, Peter Ola was appointed county chief of Chua in 1958. His appointment reflects the continued practice of installing trusted leaders within the county administrative structure in the late colonial era. The sixth person is Antonio Okelo Pua of 1950 to 1960, a Democratic Party politician and member of the Legislative Council, that is Legico. Antonio Okelo Opua was appointed county chief of Chua. Originating from Umia Pachua and settling in Kalam, Opua bridged traditional authority and emerging national politics during Uganda's transition to independence. The seventh person you must know is Jakalia Toya. Jakalia Toya of 1928 to 1941. Appointed Rwodi of Atiak in February 1928, Toya hailed from Batoro. His leadership spanned over a decade and he remains noted for consolidating authority during a period of significant socio-political transformation in the region. The eighth one, the last one, Erenayo Angol, appointed in 1916, following the dethronement and arrest of Rwodi Okeli. Erenayo Angol was appointed Jago, or the chief administrator of Umia Pachua in 1916 by District Commissioner Ashton Warner. His appointment reflects the direct arm of colonial administrators in reshaping local governance. Now, all these things, if you analyze this properly, the only thing I can say is the Rwodi Kalam system was emblematic of an era where colonial and later post-colonial authorities significantly shaped traditional leadership landscape in Acholi land. These appointed leaders played complex roles, balancing expectations, family legacies, and the demands of external powers that made Acholi also to suffer in the hands of the colonial government. These, you can find them in Tekwaro, Kike, Lobu West, Acholi, La Chirokejo established. Then you can also find it in Acholi, Kike, Megi, Reuben S. Anywa of the Eagle Press, 1954. You can also find it in the book of Otaiao Kero, Moalengumoy, a legend among the Acholi of Uganda, Jim Ochere, Sahel Books, Incorporated, 2010. Then you can also find it in Tekwaro, Kike, Patiak, Luani, Justo Okoro Gwanga of 2009. Thank you.